Hello all, welcome to my channel. This is Astha, and guys, today I'm discussing about the very important section of Tech Mahindra's interview procedure, that is the psychometric test. Okay, and today I'm sharing with you all the actually asked questions during the psychometric test of Tech Mahindra. These questions were asked during the hiring procedure of December. Okay, during December, when psychometric test was conducted by Tech Mahindra, they actually asked all these questions. Okay, so today I'm sharing all the questions with you with their answers and analysis, so that you guys will get an idea how the questions were going to come during the psychometric test of Tech Mahindra this time. First, we'll start with the questions. See, you will have 86 questions. You have to complete those questions during 25 minutes. Okay, during the time of December, they give you this type of questions actually. Okay, they give you multiple choice questions. Here they give you have to select the option under statement most applicable to you. Okay, they give you one statement about your personality, about your behavior, okay, about your assumptions, and then they give you some options. Okay, you have to select the most applicable option to you. Okay, so accordingly we'll see here. First statement that is given is I look forward to change. Okay, this is a statement about a personality, and you have to select the most applicable option which is given here. Okay, somewhat like me, most like me, or and contrast statement is also given, that I am usually indifferent to change. Okay, so you have to choose an option whatever is most suitable to your personality, or you can select neutral also. Okay, so in this way you have to select all the answers. I'm going to share all the questions with you here, all the statements, and you have to choose the most applicable answer to your personality. Okay, I am selecting all the answers here according to my personality. You have to select according to your personality, or you can go with my answers also, because I used to analyze all the answers whichever is most suitable to the industry, and then I am selecting that one. Then the statement is, when someone disappoints me, I easily forget about it. Okay, and the contrast statement is, when someone disappoints me, I take some time to forget about it. So whatever is most suitable to you, you have to select that one, but you have to take care that answer will be according to the conditions of the company, according to the beneficial conditions of the company. Okay, so here I am selecting most like me. When someone disappoints me, I easily forget about it. Or you can select somewhat like me. Then we have people usually put their own well-being first. Okay, so here you have to tick your most suitable applicable answer. The contrast statement is, people are more concerned about each other's well-being. Okay, so here I am selecting somewhat like me. All your answers will show about your personality, about your behavior, about your thinking. So you have to take care, you have to read out the statement twice, and accordingly you have to answer. Then we have, I tend to be cautious about happy outcomes. Okay, and the contrast statement is, I often expect good things to happen. So we can select here, I often expect good things to happen, and I am selecting most like me. Then we are having, I take my time to get comfortable with new people. Okay, so here the alternate contrast statement is, I get along well with new people immediately. Okay, so you have to select accordingly, because you have to work in a multinational company, you have to work in a corporate company, so accordingly you must be able to get along with people immediately. So that's why you have to I'm selecting here most like me. Then we have, I would rather finish off boring task first. Or alternate statement is, I would rather delay working on boring task. So you have to select whichever is really suitable and best for the industry perspectives. So here I am selecting, I would rather finish off boring task first, most like me. Then we have, I try not thinking about frustrating situation much. Okay, and the contrast statement is, I tend to spend lot of time on thinking about frustrating situations. Okay, so here if you are selecting second option, it means you are wasting your time. So you have to select the first one, I try not thinking about frustrating situation much. You can select here somewhat like me. I prefer a fast-paced work environment. Or the alternate contrast statement is, I prefer a relaxed work environment. So here you have to choose, I prefer a fast-paced work environment, because that will be beneficial to the company. Okay, if you like to work in a fast-paced work environment, so you have to select accordingly. Okay, then we have, it is important to achieve what one aims for. Okay, and the contrast statement is, it is okay not to achieve everything one aims for. Here you have to select, it is important to achieve what one aims for. Here you can select somewhat like me or most like me depending on you, but this shows that you are really serious about your aims. Okay, then I would rather say things which make people happy, and the alternate statement is, I would rather say what I feel is right. So here you have to select, I would rather say what I feel is right. You can select somewhat like me or most like me. Okay, then I usually look at the bright side of things, and I usually see things for what they really are. Okay, so here the positive one is, I usually look at the bright side of the thing. Okay, so I am sure you all got my point, how you have to select the options. Okay, both the options are most may be applicable to most of the people, but you have to select the option according to the industry norms. Okay, whatever option is most beneficial to the industry, and as an employee whatever qualities you should have, accordingly you have to select your options. Okay, so please go ahead and read all the questions that I have shared, and I'm going to share the next lot of questions also with you in my next video. Okay, so all the best, and we'll see some non-SDE coding questions also in my next video. Thank you, and please watch the video till the end and read all the questions. Maybe you'll get an idea how you have to attempt all the psychometric questions. Okay, all the best.